Okay, 3, 2, 1, cut.
Hello, my name is Harry and I'm going to be building this F.R.E.I.N.D.S Lego for my stepmom Stacy because she loves this show. So here's all the characters and this is what it looks like. On the back, this is what it looks like in the inside. You can take the couch out and whatever this is. Okay, let's get opening.
How many pieces does it have, Harry? Does it say in there anyway?
I don't think so.
It doesn't actually say. That's okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's get opening.
Maybe on the back. No? Okay, it doesn't say on this box. That's okay.
Let's get opening.
What's the box number for the Lego? 21319.
Okay.
For 16 plus. How old are you, Harry?
11.
11. No, you're not. What's your true age, Harry?
8.
8. Yeah. 16 plus. You think you're gonna do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay, so this is a F.R.E.I.N.D.S Central Park Lego set. I love it. It got so much details and I'm so proud of myself. You might have saw the extra hands in there because I'm not that good at Lego, so yeah. so that means my dad or my brother might have been helping. It took me like 2 or 3 days to finish this, maybe even more. And my favorite part is the menu. My favorite part's the menu right here, because it actually tells you, it actually has real words and tells you stuff. I love it.
I like the details up here.
Yeah,
How cool
same.
they look. That's pretty awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. I'm very proud of myself. Plus there is outside as well. All around here. And all around. So you might have showed me a bit, well, like,
So what we've got here,
I wasn't really
our
focused.
little guitar.
Oh yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah. I
And
wasn't
the
really
flowers.
focused that much because, like, wasn't focused. So you might just see me doing nothing for a couple of minutes.
Yeah, really good
While I
piece.
just think.
It's a good masterpiece, this one,
I love
isn't
it.
Yeah.
Now we have to show the master.
The master. Oh, Stacey.
The master of this Lego has been invited. The one that I got this Lego
Good
for.
work, Harry.
So,
You want to tell me about it?
So they're all drinking coffee. So you can change the microphone to this piano.
Yeah. That's where Phoebe goes. That's
Yeah.
her guitar and her microphone.
yeah.
There she is.
Yeah, she's down there.
She's seated.
She's having a break, having some
Yeah.
coffee.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And this hat and some umbrellas. I like the design. Like,
And does this come out?
yeah,
it
it
does.
comes out. Need to be very careful not to mess anything up.
Oh,
Now he already broke it. So there's an idea for you. Never say
Say anything with Lego, but
it doesn't go
know
there.
this won't break. It shatters into a million.
who dropped their coffee?
Oh, that goes right here.
Make sure the couch doesn't break.
I think they did a really good job. It doesn't go, it just goes. I can do it. So
Give me that.
It's all right.
Yeah, hold on. There you go.
right there.
There you go. I think it's because the hair's sticking out the back there, Harry.
Yeah.
See the hair? So that's probably making it harder for you so you can see.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can set it up with all different themes. You've got extra
Yeah.
bits here.
Yeah, we've got some
You
extra
can
bits
change
here.
stuff, pizza board, laptop. It even opens it.
Yeah, that I'm pretty sure is supposed to go to here. Yeah, it
There's a
opens.
laptop.
See, it
Then you
opens.
got. I think that's a cleaning sweep dustpan.
No, it's I'm pretty sure it's a purse.
It is.
Oh, it's a purse. Yeah, it's a handbag.
Handbag.
Yeah. So you can change the themes every now and then and make it your own. Whatever they want to do.
I like the
And then the
cookies. Piece of pie.
Yeah, I like the cookies as well.
I like the piece of
You
pie.
see, there's back area over here, and open the door. There's even a curtain right here.
Anyway, Harry.
Thank you for making it for me, Harry. You
You're
did good. Good work.
Everyone
You
say
can go put
goodbye.
it in
You're gonna
the
finish?
display cabinet.
Yeah.
Anything else before we go?
Work out mine.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And make sure you watch our other